Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I love filming these types of videos for you guys, and you guys seem to really enjoy them as well. So I've been thinking kind of long and hard about this, and I wanted to make a Halloween movies binge list for you guys and tell you where you can find them, because they're not always on Netflix or like playing on TV, and sometimes we don't have TV. Like, I personally don't pay for DirecTV or cable or anything. I just have a TV that lets me download the apps and I watch them off of there, or we have like Hulu, Prime, and Netflix. So if you guys are interested in what my favorite Halloween movies are and what you should definitely binge watch and where to find them, keep watching. Okay, so the first three movies are Halloween Town, Revenge of Calabar, so Halloween Town 2, and Halloween Town High. I don't ever think I've actually watched Return to Halloween Town, which is the fourth one, but regardless, all four of those movies are on Disney Channel's app. So this is new to me, but I searched it for Halloween movies because I love all of these Halloween movies. And if you download Disney's Go app, which I'll show you guys how I did it right here, I can download it on my phone or on my TV. Then just go to DCOM, which is Disney Channel Original Movies. You can see all of the movies that they have listed for that time. Obviously, since it's Halloween, they have all of their Halloween movies, which I'll show you guys. And that takes me into my next two movies, which is Twitches and Twitches 2. If you haven't seen any of these, it's about witches. So Halloween Town is about a family, obviously, of witches. And at the beginning, they don't know they're witches. Then they kind of learn about their powers, go about saving Halloween Town. It's so good. Like, all of them are so good. I love it. And Twitches 2 is twin witches, so Twitches. And they just are twin witches. It's so cute. I love these movies, and they're on the Disney Channel app. Obviously, this is not sponsored because that would never happen, but I wanted to show you guys a free way to watch these videos and these movies because the whole movie's on there. And I think in total, I watch a whole like hour-and-a-half movie, and I have 4 ads in it, and they're only a minute-and-a-half long each. So nice. I love these movies, and that's the perfect place to find them. The next one is Double Double Toil and Trouble, and I couldn't find a place to watch it other than on Prime, but you had to pay like the $2.99 for it. So that's a movie with Mary-Kate and Ashley. They're twins, and they go visit their grandma or their aunt. I haven't watched it this year yet, and I forget, but she has a twin, and one of them's bad and one of them's good, and they just go through this, and it's so, it's just so, it's so fun. I love them. Mary-Kate and Ashley are really little, and it's just so cute. So that is available to like buy or rent on Amazon or YouTube or Vudu, like V-U-D-U, I think. But you can search on Amazon Prime and like buy it on there, or search on YouTube, I think, and buy it. It's $2.99, but if you really want to watch it, that is how you can. The last one is Hocus Pocus, which that is a classic. I can't, like, it's so good. And this one might be a little harder for people to find if you don't have DirecTV or someone in your family doesn't have DirecTV. Luckily, our family members do have DirecTV, and they let us use their login whenever we want and like have the apps downloaded on our phone, because you can watch anything on DirecTV on your phone at any time. And Hocus Pocus is on there. It's also on Amazon Prime and YouTube to buy for the $2.99. But a free way, if you have access to DirecTV, is to look it up on there. It's on, not the cinema, because that's a paid one, but it's on the, what's it called? Oh, it's on demand. It's not on cinema, because that's what you pay, but it's on demand for, I think, the rest of October, and you can watch Hocus Pocus on there. If you haven't seen Hocus Pocus, it's about 3 sister witches who are way old. They come back to Salem, Massachusetts, their old house, and basically like haunts them. Not haunts them, but basically. It's so good. You have to watch it. That is all for my Halloween list. I know this is a short video, but that is 7 movies, and those are my all-time favorites. Also, it's The Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown, but I literally could not find a place for you guys to be able to watch it other than like searching it and finding like a website that might stream it. I couldn't find anywhere to watch it, but I have it on DVD. So it's The Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown is like one of my favorites, but I couldn't find a place for you guys to watch it, so I didn't want to add it onto the list. Anyways, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If there's any other Halloween movies that I have to watch, leave them down below for me and give me like a place where I can find them to watch them, or just like why it's your favorite. Make sure that you are subscribed with your notifications turned on so you guys are notified anytime I upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!